What's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we were looking at more fake Roblox executors, but this time let's see if we can get more detections, because last video we only got like 3 detections I believe. So let's start. First of all, we're gonna obviously go to Chrome. Let's first go to YouTube, see what we can find. We might find some of the same viruses we found last time, but that's alright. Fake Roblox executor. Actually, no, what am I doing? We're supposed to be searching free Roblox Executor 2026. Alright, so let's go. Let's actually go to recently uploaded. Let's go. Did we do this guy? I don't think we did this guy, guys. Yeah, I think we already know what to do. Wait, this website actually might not work. I think we tried this last time. When we went to the executor, it didn't let us act. Yep, it's the same thing. Let's go back.
Ever wondered what it feels like?
Huh. Yep, it's the same stuff. Oh wait, I think I've seen this before. Let's go to their website. Free cheats, download. This is the URL. Let's go find Roblox. Roblox right here. Kraken undetected. Yeah, Kraken Roblox. That's all it says. It's totally not suspicious. Let's see. We'll get our aimbot. We'll get sticky aim, guys. We'll get speed hacks and everything. We get ESPs. Oh yeah, this cheat is about to be crazy, guys. Let's get this. Okay, let's go to our folder. Let's go here. Oh yeah, I forgot. Did I disable this? All right, we're disabling it now. Let's go. Come on. All right. Now we can officially, yes, blah blah. Now we can extract this using the password. Let's go. All right, we have our file. We have our executor. Our Kitaro. Nice. Yep. Can we find anything in these folders? There's a whole bunch of stuff. Whoa. Look at this, guys. Create token dialog. Is this like for my Discord token or something? Robot? I don't know, guys. I'm not logged in on any of those on this computer, but let's run them out. The executor. Malicious file. This application may cause damage to the device. Sensitive personal data may also be at risk. Yeah, we don't care. Run anyway. Where's my executor at, guys? You guys see executor on the screen? I do not see any executor. Let's check our task manager. Maybe it's just, I don't know. Something's wrong. Yeah, I really don't know, guys. I don't see any executor here. And I don't see any executor on my screen. Oh, whatever. It's probably just bug or something. I need to fix the executor though. Alright. Let's go searching for some more. Let's see this, guys. 100% on keyless Roblox executor. Oh, look. Wait, this actually might be a great executor, guys. Look at this. Total downloads. Active users. Oh yeah, we're downloading this. Download. Give us that. Good old executor. Oh yeah. How it works. No installer bloat, no bundle garbage, single executable, runs clean on Windows 10/11. Yup. I expected that, guys. Let's go ahead. Let's go over here. See our executor from, what's his name? Derek Cell S. Yes, Jax, whatever. Cells Jax, whatever. Let's extract it. Go ahead and click the password. Okay, yep. Alright, so get it. Let's go inside the folder. Microfoss, Defender from threats. That's probably just false detection. Yeah, false detection. Oh, bootstrap. Let's run this, guys. Oh yes, this is definitely the executor right here. Operation not complete successfully because the file contains a virus potentially unwanted software. No, Windows Defender, stop. It's not a virus, bro. You guys are not listening. Turn that off. You guys aren't listening. It's not a virus. It's not a virus. Why would you quarantine my executor, guys? Why would Windows quarantine our executor? We guess go. We got it back. Let's run it. Bootstrapper.exe. Yes. Yes. Where's our executor? This is not our executor. This ain't no executor. Still the same thing as the last one. It's not doing anything. This is some foolishness. You know what? That's it. We're gonna go. Let's search free Roblox Executor PC 2026. See if we can find anything else. Ooh, Solar Executor. Let's try this, guys. Yes. Let's go forget all this. Let's go to the link. Voltrix.lol. That's totally what's gonna pop up. Oh, looks like malware has blocked the connection to a website from Bootstrapper trying to access some sketchy website. Voltrix loaded. Let's go. Download. Let's copy the password. Guys, once again, please do not do this at home. I'm only doing this because I've taken all the safety precautions. Don't do this. And now, okay, we have our Voltrix. What was the password? Oh, it's just pasted in. Copied it earlier. Okay, let's go. Come on, hurry up and extract, man. I'm my executor, man. Don't care about all that. Let's go. Oh yeah, Voltrix. Look at that. VC runtime. .dll. Blah blah blah. Whole bunch of DLLs. Fake. Everything. Blah blah blah. What does that say? Shows and manages certificate store check on desktop. That's fishy, guys. Windows protect your PC. Run anyway. Hey guys, why is it not doing anything? Guys? What's wrong with her? Maybe I have to do this, guys. You know what, guys? Let's check our task manager. Maybe the executor is doing something here. Don't know. This looks a little sketchy. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, guys, I don't really know. Our executors these executors aren't working for some reason. Some odd reason. Yeah, I don't know. Whatever, let's go try to find a new one, because these aren't working. I don't know why. Remind me later. I've like waiting. Oh yeah, this velocity.
Hey,
Download.
what's up? Guess what, guys? In today.
Yes, I think I know what you're doing, buddy. Yeah, that's totally gonna pop up. Yep, all these bots in the comments again. It's the same thing as last other few videos. I think this might be the same website as the last video. Wait, yeah, it is. It's verifying I'm human. Success. Let us in the website. Come on, hurry up. Download free. Yes, instant. Oh wait, it's this website. What doesn't let you download the file, guys? Look. Yeah, how could he be downloading it if he's not even letting you download it? This is just foolishness, guys. Oh yes, best Zeno. What does that say, guys? Same thing every time. Yep. I think I know. Yep. So look at this website. This link they're sending us to, the best Roblox cheat. I guess I'm supposed to click this. And it'll send me. Oh yeah, download it. Yep. We have our launcher. Let's go. Password is yep. Oh, look at this, guys. Hello, look what admin v4v said. Hello, my friends. It is no work, but on my channel dropped the working version. You know what? Look at this. If this execute doesn't work, let's go check out his channel. See what he dropped. Launcher extract. Okay. Extracting. Let's go here to our launcher. Password. Yes, we already know the password. Oh. Yep. Zeno executor. Run as administrator. It wants administrator permissions. Totally not suspicious, but let's run anyway. Yes, run. Whoa, why did this flash command prompt, guys? I wonder what it's doing. Let's check command prompt, guys. Let's check our task manager. My bad. No executor. No executor, guys. It's just, wait, what is this? I can literally see the viruses. I see this. I see both of the viruses. What is using my CPU? Oh my goodness, guys. I can literally see the viruses. 1, 2, and the other one is trying to hide somewhere. I don't know where it went, but it's somewhere running in the background. Whatever. It's probably not working. Oh, tried to access explorer.exe. Oh, that's new. Let's go to his channel, guys. Right here. Oh, new version. Password is 227. Let's copy that. Let's go to his oh wait, we're gonna have to copy. Never mind. Let's just go to his website, guys. It's lagging, guys. My computer's lagging badly. Oh, look at this, guys. This is totally not suspicious. Look at this. My goodness. Updated 15 June 2026. Oh, look at that. A media fire link. Let's go to here. Download his executor. The new we blocked it. Oh, yep. It's still trying to access these websites. I wonder what his executor. If his executor works, guys. Was this the password? Oh shoot, it's lagging, guys. It's lagging, guys. My computer's lagging. Yep, that's the password. Let's go ahead. Oh yeah, look at all this. Shaders, config, CSS. You know, I feel like throwing this. Let's go to virus total, guys. Yes. Let's confirm the upload. It's uploading it. Trojan not to loader. We have a backdoor.wind64.gsb.gen, spyware.stealer, Trojan, whole bunch of stuff. This is probably all false positives, guys. Let's just run it. Just run it. Yes. Blah blah blah. It's a false positive. Let's run away. Anyway. Pretty badly. This is strange. Well, no executor, guys. It's still trying to access these websites too. Whatever. Let's keep searching. Let's keep searching. Come on. Delta Executor PC. Yeah. Let's go here. Let's go ahead and download it. Download the Delta Executor for PC. Totally not suspicious, made by I Love Roblox. Yep. Okay. Yep. Let's close Chrome. Let's go ahead. Extract. Okay. Delta Executor right here. What are all these DLLs, guys? This is no executor. Let's run it anyway. Whoa, what is it doing, guys? What? No. Do not open my browser and download anything. No. Alright, guys, I think this is getting destructive. Let's go over here to let's open Malwarebytes and run a scan fast. Quickly. If the PC is still working, I will see you guys when this scan gets any detections. Alright. 6 detections, guys. Let's quarantine all of these. No, let's not restart the computer yet. Let's restart the computer. See if it still boots up. Alright guys, looks like it's still booting up normally. It's good. I do not think that all the viruses are gone though, because Malwarebytes was showing some stuff, some malware block stuff. But anyways, that'll be it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe, and please comment down below. Let me know what you guys would like to see next. Like, would you guys like to see free Robux malware, any cheats, any free cheats off websites, or any ideas you guys have? Comment them down below. And that'll be it for today's videos, guys. Peace.